entertain your cat with a fishing rod and a bobber. I know Minecraft and whatnot, but this is funny as hell. Look at go! Left it. It's fine. Oh my! All you do is get a bunk bed like this, get this fish rod, put it up there, put a string all the way down, and then you just put your cat there. Just put your string down about that far, and just put your cat there, and you stare at it, and then oh, there you go, there it goes again. Oh god! Every time you get, you have to like hit it back up, unless you have like something holding it down. We don't. We just have a bed frame. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Alright guys, that's it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and bye.